I'm Julian, and welcome to our special questions and answers video. This is a way to learn a little bit more about me and the Step Stool Chef. I'm Julian, and I'm 10 years old, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Step Stool Chef. The Step Stool Chef is all about empowering kids to be leaders in the kitchen. We provide tips, tools, and solutions to make cooking easier for kids. Well, it all started on my 3rd birthday when I got snowed in. I had to cancel all my birthday party plans, but I didn't let that stop me. I decided I want to make my own birthday cake. So I asked my mom and she let me. So I hopped on my step stool, hence the name Step Stool Chef, and got to work. The cake was a big success and I was super proud of myself. I thought I wanted to share that feeling of inspiration and joy with others, and that's how we created the Step Stool Chef. Well, the things I like to do is playing sports, coding, and just hanging out with friends and family. So, we developed a line of products that make cooking easy and fun. This includes a cookbook, an online cooking school for kids, and our newest addition, a Step Stool Chef cooking kit for kids. You can go on our website and purchase these items at stepstoolchef.com. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe buttons. See you next time. Bye.